In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open a Swissquote account. So step 1 is to open up the app or the website, and then from here you need to open your account. Then from here it should be looking something like this with the introduction. And here you need to select either Mrs. or Miss or Mr. Then from here you need to go over and select first name, your family name or surname, and where you are from. Then from here you need to add in your contact details. And that means your telephone number and your email address. Then from here you need to click next. Then from here you need to check your email. Once you've done that, you need to add in your personal details like your date of birth and your marital status. Either you're single, married, separated, or divorced. Then from here you need to add in your nationality, which is also pretty self-explanatory. Then from here you need to add in identification document number, which for my case is my social security number. So you just need to write this in and click next. Then from here you need to add whether or not you are dual nationality. And if you are yes or no, then you click the represented. Then from here you need to add in your legal address. And that is your country of residence, your address, your apartment number, additional info if you have that, your postal code, and the city you are living in. Then from here you need to add whether or not it's your correspondent address, meaning that they will send the correspondent to the same address, either yes or no. Then from here you need to click next. Then you need to add your tax residence, and here you need to add in your number, and if you have that a TIN number or tax ID, you can also add more countries if you're a dual citizen, and you can also see what a TIN number is. Then from here you just need to click next. Then from here you need to add in your employment status, and here you need to select the current employment situation, either employed, self-employed, unemployed, retired, student, or other. Then from here you just need to click next. Then from here you need to add your public function. Do you exercise an all-important public function? You can read about that, what that is, but if you already know, you can choose either no or yes and then click next. Then from here you need to make sure that you are not a resident of the USA according to the definition of US person. If you are, you need to click yes, and if you're not, you need to click no and then click next. Then from here you need to add your risk tolerance, and you need to be aware that you're applying to open an investment account, and you need to acknowledge the risk associated with the investment of your capital. And here you need to select I am aware that the purchasing of financial instrument entails a degree of risk. Then from here you need to add in the use of account, and here you can select either 1, 2, 3 or 4, and here you need to select what the account are for, either trading, saving, formation of capital, or other. Here you can add in a referral program if you have that. Otherwise, if you don't, click next. And here you need to have read declaration of compliance, that you declare that all information are accurate and are up to date, and confirm the following, and all of these options down here. Then you just need to click next, and here you need to add in a verification code. Of course, for security reasons, you'll be sent a verification code, and here you can either select send it by SMS or send it by your email address. Once you've done that, you will see something like this. You can see the code send, and you can see up here that Swissquote will send you either an SMS with a code or email a code to you. Then from here, it says you are almost done. And here you need to add additional information. You need to verify your identity. You need to sign a contract and proof of residence, where you need to send a picture of your utility bills. Once you've done that, you have successfully opened your Swissquote account.